Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to the Bitget Wallet. Alright, let's begin with the video. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget Exchange application and then provide your login credentials, and you simply need to log into your account. After that, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and here select the Spot option in the top. Now tap on the Withdraw option, and you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you can withdraw from your account. Among these, you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw USDT, so you need to tap on USDT, and then select the On-Chain Withdrawal option. Now it will automatically select the network, but if you want to change it, then you just have to tap on the drop arrow button, and you can select the network for this video. I'm going to keep it as TRC20, so my USDT is on TRC20. Now, in order to get the withdrawal address, you need to launch your Bitget Wallet mobile application and then tap on the deposit option. After that, select Receive, and here you just have to select USDT. That is based on the TRC20 network. So you need to tap on it, and you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you.
So you just have to copy that from here. Then come back to your Bitget Exchange. Paste the address in this section in the withdrawal amount. You need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. After filling this form, you just have to tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to wait until your transaction is completed. Now, once it is completed, you will receive your crypto from your Bitget Exchange to your Bitget Wallet.
So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to the Bitget Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.